Hey friends, this is Akash. Today in this video, I will teach you what is SVG, what is JPEG, and what is PNG file. So I have taken Illustrator CS 6. Now I will go to this tool, type tool, and I will write a letter A. I will increase the letter A by holding shift and dragging at the corner. So I will align this letter by align panel. Go to this align to artboard. Now click on this horizontal align center, vertical align center. Now go to object, click on expand. Select both object and fill, click on OK. Now this object has been expanded. You can save it in SVG format. Ctrl S, click on this save as type and go to SVG. I will type letter SVG. Click on save. So here place decimal places, enter 3 and select embedded. Click on OK. Now this file will be saved as SVG file. Okay. Now I will save it as JPEG file. Control Alt Shift S. Here you can select JPEG or PNG 24. If you select PNG 24, it will be transparent. I will show you both PNG and JPEG. First we will start with JPEG. I will save it 1000 by 1000 and save, and I will call it as letter JPEG. Again I will hold Control Alt Shift S to get this panel and save it as PNG 24. Now I will click on this save. Let us talk these details later, but I will first save it in PNG file, letter PNG, right? Save. Now there are three files: SVG, PNG and JPEG, right? So I will use this desktop. I will copy both PNG and JPEG because I already have an SVG here in the artboard. So one will be, this is JPEG and this is PNG. So as you can see, PNG has a transparent background, and whereas JPEG has completely white background, right? So if you zoom this JPEG carefully, you will see a pixel type of effect. This is a pixel effect. This is not a vector. So this is completely a pixel. And if you see a SVG, you can zoom so that it is completely sharp at the edges. This is completely a vector. So SVG equal to vector. So both are same. SVG and vector are same. Whereas JPEG is a pixel and PNG is also a pixel. But only difference between PNG and JPEG is JPEG has a background layer and PNG doesn't have any background, so you can use it wherever you want. So these are three types of files: SVG, JPEG and PNG file. So thank you very much. I hope you have learned something in this video. Have a great day.